Governor Hope Uzodinma, stop disturbing my business because I am paying thousands of Imo youth. One of our brother don call outside the governor of Hope Uzodinma. This guy owns a hotel according to the information wey we get. So e be like say the government dey too dey put eyes for him business side, but wetin dey drag go we never dey clear, but e go better make you hear am for him own mouth. They say one of our brother don call outside though. He say all those people wey dey betray the structure wey Nnamdi create. Say those people wey dey betray the US. He say they go soon receive am woto. No be small thing no. My people, we go find out how this thing take happen. As that one dey happen, they say that Biafra Liberation Army don crash with Nigeria security for place where they call Kuja today. No be small thing no. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Yeah, my people, just quickly jump into the matter wey we get for our hand today. One of our brother don call outside the Imo state government over disturbing him on his business, and he say make the world, make everybody, make Imo, make everybody beg the government make they know they put eyes for their business, because as they tell our people to come back home, they need to make home suitable for our people for them to come and invest. Let's play the video before you watch, and we'll come back and continue.
What is wrong with you people? You people should allow me to rest. Allow me to do my business the way I don't hurt anybody. I don't have anything to do with anybody. I do my business legitimately and so on. Please, you people should leave me alone. You people, I'm calling on you people to come and help me. Because I don't have brother, I don't have sister. You are my brother, you are my sister. I depend on you people. They used to Nemo. You people should come and ask this man question. He should leave me alone. Do his business of governance. Let us do our business of business. Put me in court, so let us sort it out. Not coming to my place to come and treating my staff and tell my staff to pack out, that my staff should go out. So they should close down. If you people force me too much, I'll close this business and you people will go and rest. I'll close it. And send all these people, over 3,000 to 4,000 Igbo sons and daughters are eating from me, directly or indirectly. How many of you have these people that you have given job? How many of you has come into Imo to come and invest like me? Why won't you allow me to rest? What is wrong with you people? Before you talk about foreign direct investment, look at the local direct investment. How are they performing? What support have you given to them? How are you? What are the policies? What are the things, your creation that you have created to support these businesses to survive? Over 3 years, we don't make profit in Imo. The businesses are dead. Yet, you are still strangulating the little ones that are remaining. You want us to close it down for all these people to go, oh, if I close it, will you employ them? If you people give me too much headache, I'll close them. Every day, foreign direct investment, FDI. Meanwhile, the local direct investment, two foreign direct investment get that. You know, I told this man, because I want to know, that may invest. It's the hard to put on who came and invest no lot there. I have one. Hope Uzodinma, Hapumaka. Baumaka, Hapumaka. I'm Imo State.
Yes, my wonderful people. Say when I don't hear them, no be smart, you know. As we they tell our brothers to come back, many of them have their own reason, the reason why whether no one come back. Go invest for their fatherland. Now be the issues we will they talk about. When I tell you that all these governors you see, all of them, when they see a booming business in Imo State, they will send their agent or whatever to go and look into those business and look for where they will collect money and put it in their own pocket, not that they are putting it in a government pocket. So our people should look into the government and look the governors and look all the whole people who are in charge of those positions and see what they are doing. Are they treating our people fairly? If not, let it rain on them, because we cannot tolerate all those nonsense. Be you who in Igbo land anymore, whether in Imo State or in anywhere. Enough is enough. We have suffered a lot in the Nigeria, in outside over the world. Anywhere you find out, we have suffered a lot. So when we're saying bring home, we have to treat the problems we have at home, starting from these kind of people who are disturbing people who are doing their business. Allow them to go, allow your state to grow big. Then you can do things the way you can be suitable for the people. Yeah, my people, now so it be for our voice. So wanna share the video and let the video go for more other people. Hear this our brother at when I call aside the governor of Uzodinma to leave him alone or take him to court. If you win him, then he pay or do the necessary things you want him to do. Let's quickly jump into the next Ogbonge news wey we get for our hand today again. This our brother don't come outside. He said that him be Biafra and everybody be Biafra. So those people wey go sell mass Nnamdi and when they betrayed US, I said those people they go still receive am because of the oath wey they take for inside IPOB. Let's play the video before we come back and proceed.
We are IPOB. Those of you that are fighting IPOB, as long IPOB did not fight you and you are fighting IPOB, you see that oath you took, the oath will fight against you in one way or the other. I'm telling you. You know why? Because we are IPOB. Those of you that are fighting for position and you know where that our leader is in the DSS dungeon and you are fighting for position, I'm sorry for you. You better repent from such characters. If not, the oath you took will fight against you in one way or the other. You know why? Because we are IPOB. We not spoil person, your person not go spoil our own. Those of you that are eating money in IPOB, I sorry for you. You have taken it as an avenue, as an opportunity because our leader is not here with us. Oh, you can do anything you like. I sorry for you. If you don't repent and do your own restitution, because you need to do restitution, I sorry for you. The oath that you took, we fight against you in one way or the other. You know why? Because we are IPOB. Keep on betraying the command of this struggle. Keep on betraying the DOS. Keep on betraying Shina Saworu. Keep on betraying Shika Edozim. I sorry for you. Keep on betraying. The oath that you took, we fight against you in one way or the other. You know why? Because we are IPOB. If you know you are not with us, leave us. Go to the other camp so that we know those that are with us. We are IPOB. We not dey fear threats. We not dey fear betrayers. We not dey fear anything. We are IPOB. And if you think that our leader is not coming out, that is your greatest mistake. Nnamdi Kanu, our Madike, is coming out. You will see him live and direct. Nothing the zoo government will do to him that we harm him to the point that when he come out, and we say, oh, he has lost his memory, he has done this, he has done that. I sorry for you. He's coming out with.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I am here waiting, this our brother talk. My people, I beg, you don't hear what we will tell you for this Ogbonge news we will bring for you today regarding the one where our brother don't call aside the governor of Imo State to stop disturbing them on their business so that our people go fit come home, go invest. And this our brother don't come talk in own matter. Say those people where they betray Nnamdi and or sabotage the US. And he said those people, he say they are IPOB. He say the oath where they take will hurt them. I beg, what do you think for this matter? May you leave your comments, your own opinion for inside comment section. And make sure so you share this video and follow this page for more updates as it hot.